Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall. We are here on the show floor at the Danfoss booth with Eric Alstrom. Eric, how are you doing today?
Jake, doing well. How are you?
Doing fantastic. So there's a lot of cool, amazing products we're looking at. What are you guys featuring at the show this year?
Well, so Danfoss, we're typically known for in-depth applications know-how, and this is no exception. That's exactly what you will see here. Apart from the fact that we're displaying a lot of new products like the digital displacement pump here or electrification products right behind us, we also have autonomy and of course a lot of connectivity. So we're really becoming the full line applications expert for our customers. And that's how we like to think about it, that we're the extended workbench for our customers.
Awesome. So your customers are coming in with problems. They're struggling with labor. They're struggling with maintenance and downtime and wanting to improve their productivity. What does the digitization of your products and driving autonomy mean to your customers?
Well, so we're really experts in the control system part of any machine. So it means that we like to control the machines. And if we do that, we can make sure we have better efficiency and better productivity than some of the competitor machines. So at the end of the day, we try to make our customers' machines the most appealing products for their end users, which also means that we many times invite end users to do clinics with us to understand what are their expectations on the machines that our customers supply them with.
Awesome. And what's one thing that you just love about the culture of Danfoss?
Well, so we're family owned, and that's a very big difference to many of our competitors. We have a very, very long time horizon. Our owners don't expect a quarterly rhythm like a listed company. And so we have tenacity and we have the will to do things that others can't. Awesome. And we can invest for a longer period of time as well. And that's a little bit what sets us apart, I think, that we have that tenacity and long-term view.
Awesome. So digitization, autonomy, family, and culture.
There you go.
Awesome. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.